What's good, guys? Daijahna back at it again with another video. We back at it again with another video. And right now, we finna go brush our teeth. No, first I'm finna go use the bathroom. Then I'm finna go brush our teeth and wash our face. Then I'm finna go back in this room. Hey. Come on. Come on. Alright, guys, we're finna get us ready to brush our teeth and wash our face. But no, I'm just playing. I play too much, but come on.
You that you'll never meet another person as mentally tough as you in your entire life. And he hasn't, and he never will.
Again, baby. Oh, yeah. I hope I can see you one last time. Oh, yeah. I hope you and me can kiss again. Take a flight, baby, come my baby, more than friends.
Alright, this is our outfit of the day. So I just got on this black sweater from Walmart, some Fashion Nova jeans, some black socks with my black Uggs, and she just had on her little outfit from Target. Okay, she ready to go. Alright, y'all, so we made it to JCPenney, and we finna go in here to go get her, I'm finna try to look for her another, like, spring type of coat, and probably get her some old little clothes or whatever the case may be. So after we see, I'm waking up. But I'm finna go in here, go get her like a spring jacket, a spring coat with some clothes, and then we're finna go to Walmart after this and just go get a few things, and then we're gonna go get something to eat, and then that's really it. So yeah, that's all I got planned for my day today. So we're gonna walk in here in a minute. Yeah. I look so good. The lightning is doing it. Say hey, pretty mamas. Say hey. 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 Hey.
I don't know what's wrong with Aaron.
Oh, she don't want to go in? It feel good and I look good. A win is a win. You can't beat that, baby. Say you can't beat that. Not a win is a win. Say it feel good and we look good. Huh? Alright, y'all. So we're looking for the kids section so we can go try to find her a coat. If not, I'm going to just get some clothes. No, too big. We thought we found what we was looking for. Hopefully they got something. Hopefully they got some, because these jackets are a bit big. Zeta's 18 months. This is cute. I like it. Do it come with a shirt? Nope, no shirt. This is pretty though. I like it. Yeah, that price made my ass twitch a little. Boat. Built-in bike shorts. Oh, okay, whatever. How you feel about this?
That's cute.
Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all whenever we probably get into the next stuff. I'm just finna ring this stuff out and then we finna go to Walmart. And I ain't really gonna be spending too much in Walmart, so yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all when we get there. Alright, y'all, so it's raining outside, of course. Right when we finna leave the stuff. Thank you. Have a good one. It's raining outside, of course, so now we gotta make run to the car. So we this way. Come on, Darren. So let me show y'all how it's raining outside. I'm gonna see y'all when I make it to the car. Look at that rain. Every time we make it out the door, every time we come outside, it's raining. I kid y'all not. Like I was saying, every time we come outside, I kid, like literally every time we decide to be like, oh yeah, let's just go outside, let's go get some air. It wanna rain. Why are you raining? What's the point? I understand it's spring and all. I get that, but why is it raining? Come on, every time, like literally, we could be sitting in the house chilling, literally, and it don't be raining. It just want to be sunny. But the moment we want to make it outside, come on, back y'all, cause I gotta get my baby out this thing, and I gotta make a run for it. So we in Walmart, and I'm really only coming here right there.
We need to go down there right now.
Okay.
Come on down here, Darren. I gotta use the bathroom. Not yet. Not super bathroom.
Yeah, can't hold it later. Yeah, so I'm really only coming here to get like 3 things. Like I said, I was coming here to only get like 3 things. That's a doll for my baby, another doll. He didn't move up. 2 dolls and some personals. That's all I really came here for. I can't think of nothing else. Yeah, I seen you. But yeah, the only 3 I came here for. The only 3 things I came in here for. I'm not paying anything else. Your girl is on a budget. Not necessarily, but I gotta save my coins. So yeah, let me go to this bathroom, change my baby, cause I ain't gotta pee. Yeah, I'm gonna go to this bathroom and change my baby, and yeah, that's really it. Say hey, pretty girl. You got chicken all on your neck? Say I just got chicken all on my neck. Look, Nautica. Your rubber band popping. This is ridiculous. Got my baby out here looking. My baby still look good. So y'all, these right here, cause I'm in a small, but these right here, y'all gotta really get into these. These will do you well at night. I'm telling you. How many come in here? 20.
Thing at. Oh Lord, it ain't good enough. I ain't gonna be able to get that. Stay right there, Darren. We go right here so we can get out.
So this is what I be talking about. I be saying I be coming here for 3 things and then be just grabbing extra. But it is time for me to get a new toothbrush, and I might get my baby. I'm gonna get my baby another toothbrush as well, because she like to use the toothbrushes me and her dad use. So she gonna use her own. I like this toothbrush. I might get this one for her, just cause it's you know, it's something, you know, she like the bristles and stuff. You want this, Monica? You want this? Yeah, I'm gonna get that to her because apparently she just dropped that tripod down for that. Ooh, or I might get this. Matter of fact, no, you're gonna get this one because this comes with a cup and everything. And you already got toothpaste at home. So you want this one instead? Let me see this one. We're gonna put this one back. You're gonna get a Barbie one because it comes with a cup that you can play with. And stuff. Now I need to find me a toothbrush. I need to do a toothbrush. I'm gonna just get this pack of toothbrushes. The cheap ones, yes, the cheap ones. Just because I don't feel like spending all that money. Oh, and I need to get some baby wipes and some diapers. Yeah, so you know I'm probably spending about $100 up in here. Don't know. Hopefully I don't, but yeah. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm trying to think about, but that's all I know I need to get. So if I don't record no more up in here, because y'all know what diapers and wipes. Y'all know what diapers and wipes look like, but I'm going to show y'all the doll that I'm going to give my baby. I'm going to show y'all the doll that I'm going to give my baby, and then that's all I'm going to record up in here because y'all know what diapers and wipes look like. So yeah, and I'm going to just do a quick little haul when I get home, and yeah. Nautica, why just look at your doll? Yeah, she pretty. All right, y'all, so I'm back home. The rain is going crazy out there. So hopefully y'all can hear me. I'm gonna talk up a little louder. I'm gonna get y'all a little haul right quick before I go lay down. So we had went to Walmart and I got Nautica a doll. Got her a doll. I got some toothbrushes as y'all seen. And I got some wipes and some diapers as y'all know. I got her bib that catch her food. I got her toothbrush because she like to use me and her daddy toothbrushes. But we don't use them. But she like the bristles, I guess. So I got her that. And we got some more tooth floss. And I got me some personal. Now I'm finna show y'all her clothes that we got at JCPenney. Alright, so she got this pajamas. She got these. She got this like coat, I guess you could say, for her to wear right now because I want to switch up her. I want to switch up her coat and stuff. Oops. She got this romper to wear like in the summertime. She got this jean dress. Summertime. She got this. I just thought this was so cute with the skirt. She got these because she need these t-shirts. She got this.
Are you okay?
And she got this cute sweater. And that's everything, and that's my haul for today. So yeah, that's the end of this video. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post another video.